Hello peoples and welcome back to my channel. 1 month later, Goxlr Mini is still treating me well. If you want to look at the first video I done when I first got it, hit this right there. Now moving on. Now, the Goxlr Mini is exceptionally awesome. And the things that I use, I mean, it's just crazy. I'm just going to show you some things that it do. In case, I'm quite sure most of you have seen the Goxlr Mini video reviews and all that. I'm just giving you my perspective on what I use it for and what I like about it. The one thing I like about it, I'm just going to change it. The things I like about it: preamp, integrated preamp is awesome. Integrated noise gate, awesome. Integrated VST, awesome. Go down the whole line. Let's get a view of my Goxlr Mini with this bad boy right here. The customization that you can do with this XLR Mini is crazy. Let me pull up the screen real quick. Let's pull the screen up. So first of all, I use it about right here. Now, if I want to adjust my mic, I can go up and that's there. Go up a little bit more. Notice, and it's still not sounding too crazy. Okay, I'm gonna turn it back down about right here where it was. Now, so basically, I'm about a fifth back from the mic anyway. So your sources here, your faders. These are your faders. Channel 1, that's gonna obviously be your mic. I can move that up just like this here, and you can see me moving it up within the app, see, like that. Or I can use this here and move it back up where I had it. Now, the chat, you can change your chat levels and all that, music, games, so on with that, and your mixes. Channel 2 is for your chat. Channel 3 is for your music. Channel 4 is for your system. That means your computer sounds. So let me go over channel 3 just real quick and show you how that works real quick. So I'm going to open up Spotify, pull that up there, boom. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click play, and I have it muted, and I'm just going to unmute it. And I can mute it right back that quick. That cannot happen with the Wave XLR. You cannot do it. You can reach over and find it in the system and turn it down and all that, or you can mute it and it's muted indefinitely. You just can't, and you can unmute it, but you ain't. This happens so quick. This is happening so quick. Now, let me go out of that. And let me put my big head back on the screen. With that being said, something else that you can do with this. So if I want to cuss. You didn't hear that. Can you do that with the, can't do that with the Wave XLR? I doubt it though. That you had to reach, configure it, or whatever, and do all that when it's just a straight, simple touch here. I want to call. You didn't hear that. Can't do that with the Wave XLR. Now don't get it twisted. If you have a USB microphone, get this. Save you some money, get this. This matches well with the USB microphone, and maybe get you a cloud lifter. But some people say you don't. I never did. A matter of fact, I had to use the cloud lifter with my Wave XLR, or it wouldn't have enough gain, to be honest. To be honest, I did. And I'm gonna show you something else real quick. The noise. Now, look at this. We're gonna go over to the mic. The noise gate. Watch, I'm gonna turn it down. What you hear in the background? You hear all that noise? You got a noise gate app on the Wave XLR, but I mean, nothing to this magnitude. Now you can't hear nothing. Noise gate come in crucial. It's huge. It is a must. Now you change up all this. I can go over all this stuff, but I'm not going to go over because it take all day. Mixer, of course, like I was telling you, that runs chat. 4 if to be here, that runs your system. The 1 that runs my mic, and you can see it. As I click it, you can see this hover over it. Runs my chat stream. That's my music, and that's that. And that's my system. Okay, the lighting. You can change your lighting up. You can customize this to your lighting and all that. Now, I got mine on my mirror. So I just, when you can route it, oh man, we ain't even gonna get started, but you can route it. You know what? I'm just not gonna get started, but just look up routing on this thing. It's crazy. System, the updates, you can update all that. It's right in here. It's just so much more can be. So let's go back to the mirror. So I changed mine to this right here. So the lighting, You can change the gradient. You know, you can have this right here changing in all kind of colors. But what I done, the way I done mine, I just got mine set to the meter because I want to know when I'm talking. I just like to see it move when I talk, just to be sure that it's taking my voice. So let me switch views real quick. Click here. All right, so I'm gonna split the view up. And if you look here, you can see as I talk, the red is showing. So the red is showing on there. I love that. I just got mine set up simple. It's a plethora of ways that you can customize this Goxlr Mini. Now, why did I not get the Flagship? Because this got everything the Flagship have on it, outside a couple of things, and the main thing that it don't have is the voice modifications, so you can change your voice. If I want that, I got a app called Voice Mod where I can do that, but that gets old quick anyway. So I mean, why would I pay $250 more when I could get everything that's in the Flagship in this Mini for $250 cheaper? I'm thinking you can get the Flagship now for like right at $400. So if it would have been $400 back then, I would have got it because it got everything. It got something else that I can't think about right now that don't serve my memory correct right about now. But it got something else that it don't have. One more, but it's not a 90 different. And all you gotta do is look up the reviews. Goxlr Mini versus Flagship, and you will see no difference. So save your money and put that towards something else. So basically that's gonna be it. Just wanted to show you some things. I wasn't able to show you all, but I was able to show you some things. And just for some that was curious, how was it treating me? Because I'm quite sure some seen my first video and I was just ecstatic and elated, and man, it's great. I love it. I use it for everything. So that being said, if you can get the money to get you one of these bad boys, I suggest you go ahead and get it, man. I mean, because now if you got a USB microphone, then get this here. And get this Wave XLR right here. If you got a USB microphone, get that. Don't waste money on this if you just got a USB microphone. And I have to do a review about my Shure SMB7 microphone, the dynamic XLR microphone. Strictly XLR. I paid about $400 for it. That's what all the big YouTubers using, the medium YouTube channel using. That's what everybody on YouTube using or want to use. The ones that don't got it, don't mean nothing by it, no pun intended, can't afford it. But the ones that got it, trust me, you looking at a podcast show, they're using this. You're looking at something on TV, dealing with podcasts, they are using this one right here, the SMB7. But anyway, we ain't talking about that. But that's going to be all for 1 month later. I still love my Goxlr Mini, and I'm still stoked. So with that being said, if you like this content, smack that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments if you got a Goxlr Mini or the Flagship. And that's going to be all. And y'all have a blessed day. Until next time, peace.